Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10S. Today I'll show you how to add and remove floating shutter button in camera. Let's begin with entering camera and let's enter settings. To enable this function, switch this button on. Focus and shot. Now tap on screen, wait until it gets focused and tap again. To disable this function, again go to settings and switch this button off. Now floating shutter button is off. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.